In this video, I will show you how to complete the NBA 2K27 quest on Discord. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Next, you want to click on the Discover icon. From here, select Quest. Now, in the Quest section, find the NBA 2K27 quest and open it to view the requirements. If you do not find it, you can apply some filters as well. Now, once you have opened it, read the instructions shown in the quest page and select Accept Quest if that option is available. Now complete the required activity exactly as described on the quest page. Discord will track your progress automatically. Once you have completed the requirement, return to quest page and check that your progress has been recorded. When the quest shows as complete, select Claim Reward if that option appears. Keep in mind that quest requirements and availability can vary by account, region, platform, and promotion period. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.